I did my project on butterflies. The science field was biology and the subfield was entomology. And my experiment involved seeing if butterflies had a color preference. And in order to conduct this experiment, I made two different types of feeders. I made a plate feeder and a jar feeder. And I planned to use 3 different colors, but due to the experiment having to be cut short, I only used 2. But my original colors were going to be red, yellow, blue, and the colors I ended up using were red and yellow. And the results of my experiment were that there was a painted lady butterfly out near the jar feeder during the time when it was decorated with red paper, and there was a little yellow butterfly out near the jar feeder also at the time it was decorated with yellow construction paper. And however, I'd also planned on making a butterfly garden, but I'm almost embarrassed to say, but it's kind of funny. Due to my lack of personal gardening experience combined with some unfavorable weather conditions, the garden didn't last too long, so it didn't contribute much to the experiment, but that's okay, better luck next time, right? And you can see here I've got some pictures. This is me with a garden that turned out to be a fiasco. And these are some of the little seedlings. They didn't grow much bigger than that. And this is the plate feeder, which, by the way, kept getting eaten by squirrels. So, I'm not really sure how that contributes to the experiment, because it just kept getting eaten by squirrels, like, literally. And, what?
This one.
And that's the jar feeder. In this picture, it's decorated with red construction paper. And, as you can see, I've tastefully decorated my poster board with colorful construction paper and a little creative title, As the Butterfly Flutters By. And in conclusion, I'd like to say that this was a fun experiment, and I'm sorry that I had to cut it short. But I hope that in the near future I'll be able to conduct a full-length version of it when the weather is friendlier. And I love butterflies, and I love this experiment, so thank you for listening.
Alright, cool, great job, it's fantastic, it's lovely. You did wonderful.
It's still recording.
Oh.
Scarlett, look up. Hi. I think there's some of the names of the types of butterflies on here too.
Okay, you can do it.
Okay, I know these two, they belong to a class called, hairband butterflies. That's a funny name. And this is a viceroy. This is the tiger swallowtail. This is the little yellow. This is the Mormon meadowlark. And somewhere on here is the painted lady. I think, oh, bye.
Bye.
And I think this is one of the painted lady varieties. And I don't remember the exact names of all of them. Sorry about that. I think this one is the dogtail. But I think they're all really pretty. And I had fun doing all the arts and craftsy stuff to put this together. Okay, bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed the butterflies.